Hi guys, I just wanted to let you know that this video is actually a part 2 to my wash day routine, so be sure to check that out before watching this video. But anyway, let's just get started. So I actually only use 2 products for my twist out, which is the Tally Wajid Curly Curl Cream, and then I also like to seal with Blue Magic Hair Grease. So I start off with 4 sections, and then I just kind of go in and quickly kind of finger detangle it just because my hair was in this style for a couple of days. So once I'm done with that, I will go in and split that section into 2 just because I do have a lot of hair and it's really thick, so I just feel like splitting it up makes it easier to work with. I will clip that up and then I will spray a bit of water on that section just to dampen it up a bit, not to make it super wet. I will take my curly curl cream and apply it to that section, just really making sure I'm breaking it in there and applying it to the ends. I also like to use the prayer hands method to help smooth it out. I will then go in with some Blue Magic Hair Grease to seal it all in. And I will also go in with a wide tooth comb just to lightly detangle it, nothing crazy, but still making sure I'm gentle and working from bottom to top. So now it's time to twist it. And honestly, I just do a regular twist. Nothing super fancy, but I decided to slow this clip down a little bit just so you can see exactly what I'm doing. This combination of products does turn out white at first, but once it's dried down, you'll see it doesn't stay white, nor does it leave flakes. So that's always a plus. So I will just go ahead and repeat the same process throughout my hair, just spraying it with some water, applying the products, and then combing it out, and then twisting it. It's pretty simple, super fast, but I did get a lot of requests about my twist out and how I style my hair, so I figured I would do a video on it. So, yep, just enjoy me twisting my hair, I guess. One thing I forgot to mention, and I think I mentioned it in another video, but I do like to grease my scalp with a mixture of Dugro, Sulfur 8, and Jamaican Black Castor Oil. I feel like it just really helps moisturize my scalp, so that's what I'm doing here. So to do my entire head, it takes about 45 minutes to an hour, so I will usually just listen to a podcast while I do this, or I'll watch YouTube videos, so that's what I'm doing here. So once I'm finished twisting my entire head, this is what it looks like. I will typically keep these in for about 3 or 4 days. So after 3 or 4 days, this is me, I will go in with some Blue Magic hair grease and spread it on my hands just to give some moisture to my hair a little bit, and then I will just unravel them. So that's basically it, really. I just go in and untwist my hair, trying my best to not disturb the curls because you don't want it to be frizzy. But generally, it doesn't really get frizzy, and honestly, I don't really mind it being frizzy because I'm not really going anywhere. But yeah, I just go in and twist them, well, I guess untwist them, and I have a lot of hair, so sometimes I will miss a bunch, but yeah, I just go in, untwist them, and that's it. So once I'm finished unraveling them, I will go back in and unravel them even more just to get more curl. But yeah, I'm trying my best to not really disrupt the curls, but like I said, I don't really mind them frizzy or kind of, I don't know, not defined, I guess. I don't know. I just do whatever. And then I will also pick it out, making sure I get the roots, just to make it even more full. I will also use my hands as well, just because I feel like my hands just is able to really get in there, and it's less likely for me to like rip out my hair. So yeah, I'll just like fluff it out, make sure it frames my face the way I want it, all of that. So once I'm done, this is what my hair looks like. I really love it, and it's so soft. Be sure to try this combination and let me know if you do, because my hair was so moisturized. I also like to brush it out and put it in a poof every once in a while, but I just decided to leave it out for today. But yeah, that's my hair, and I guess that's really the end of my video, so be sure to stay tuned for more, and I'll see you guys later. Bye!